Hello, I am Beth Ann Stone with the LMC Office of Planning and Institutional Effectiveness. Per the introductory video, you already know where and how to access your eLumen Program Review Year 5 update template, ensuring your role is correct, the program or unit you are completing this update for is correct. You've already navigated to strategic planning initiatives, and here is your Student Services Unit Program Review Year 5 update template. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of your screen, you want to scroll down, and this training video will go over the engagement section of the program review. Navigate to item number 2, engagement, and we are now ready to begin with the first item. Item A, discuss how faculty and staff have engaged in institutional efforts such as committees, presentations, and departmental activities. I want to direct my mouse and place my cursor in the text box to respond to this question. After I've completed entering my text to address this item, I'm ready to proceed to item B. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, I'm going to scroll down to item B and the text box located underneath it. For item B, we are going to discuss how faculty and staff have engaged in community activities, partnerships, and/or collaborations. To enter text to address item B, I'm going to position my cursor in the text box below it. Once I am done entering the text to address this item, I'm ready to proceed to item B. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of my screen, I'm going to scroll down to item C. Discuss how part-time temporary employees, students, classified professionals, and adjunct faculty are included in departmental training, discussions, and decision-making. Position your cursor in the text box below the item to begin entering the text to respond to this item. Once I am done entering the text to address this item, I'm ready to proceed to item D. Using the scroll bar on the right-hand side of the screen, I scroll down to item D. Please note, you only need to complete this section if it applies to you having an advisory board for your student services program or unit. If you do not have an advisory board, you can click on Save Draft underneath that text box to complete this section. If you do have an advisory board, please provide an advisory board update and analysis, including dates of advisory board meetings in 2019-20 and 2021, and those that have been completed or planned for 2021-2022. Provide a brief description of the major items discussed and any action taken by your advisory board between 2019 and 2021. To respond to this item, I'm going to position my cursor in the text box and begin entering text. After I'm done responding to this question, I've completed Section 2, Engagement, of the Student Services Program Review Year 5 Update in eLumen. I click on the Save Draft button below that section, and this will save all the information I just entered for Section 2, Engagement. I'm now ready to proceed to Section 3 of Student Services eLumen Program Review Year 5 Update. Please see the next video pertaining to completing Section 3, Vision for Success Goals Update.